Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video another day where I share different resources that I've learned over the years of being in this career industry of tax preparation and taxation, 21 years, 15 as a business owner. And so I have a coaching program that's designed to help women who want to get started in this industry but don't want to get started by themselves. Because we talk about dealing with people's financial information, dealing with their money, and that's the biggest fear people have is not making mistakes when it comes to other people's money. So if you want to get started in this industry, but you don't want to do it by yourself, I have a link inside of my video where you can go to my booking call and get a 30-minute session with me where I walk you through what it's going to take for you to get started, regardless if you're brand new or have prior training experience working as a tax preparer for a firm already. You get to find out up close and personal what that looks like, and also what opportunities I have for you where you can possibly partner with me if you're a good fit. And so all the rest of this year, I'm doing different tools and resources on IRS.gov, different websites that I have access to that I've learned from over the years I've been in this awesome industry. So this here takes you to a video site, which is IRS/videos.gov individual. And so we have the individual tab, we have the business tab, where we got different topics you can learn about. We got the tax professional tab, different stuff that tax professionals be interested in. And then we got the government, the charities, and nonprofits, and multilingual. I mainly cover the first three. So on the individual, if you will, you want to go under each category and see what's under there. So for like education, we choose education. We have all these different information under education that deals with different topics. So if you're interested in certain topics that you might find here, you want to check out the video and learn as much as you can. And this is a good starting point when it comes to what I do that I've always done is I let my people know that make IRS.gov your number one go-to place for learning and research when it comes to you having a new client that you might not be familiar with and they have a situation that you've never done before, but you don't want to have to turn them away or send them to someone else, especially if you don't have a mentoring coach on your team that you can go to get the assistance you need with that particular situation. So this here site, along with IRS.gov itself, that has many counterparts to it that takes you all over that helps you learn so much information. And so I tell all my coaching clients to make IRS.gov your go-to place for learning, research, and education. And so if you're interested in the coaching program that's designed to help you get started, help fast track your success, then like I said, I have a link that's designed for you to get a free 30-minute uh, consulting call with me where I educate you and show you and send you real world information through email on what the training looks like when it comes to learning how to prepare individual 1040 tax returns. And then we follow that back up with a coaching call, with a Zoom call, where we get to meet each other face to face, especially if you're ready to take action, especially if you're ready to get started. Because see, what the problem is, people want to wait till the year's almost over with to get started. It's too late then. Especially if you're brand new off the boat, no prior training experience, you need to get started right now. Because just learning how to prepare individual income taxes by itself is going to eat you alive, especially if you have a problem with comprehending and interpreting information. Then that's going to let you know maybe this is not the right career move for you. Then you can move on to something different. Because I've had clients who've taken action and found out number one, there's too much information. Number two, they don't want to be responsible in that type of way when it comes to this type of business. And so they move on to something else. Or they realize, hey, the job they already have, they love it, they're good at it, and they're going to stick with that for a while. So until you take action, you really don't know what you're getting yourself into. And so I'm giving you an opportunity, especially if you're looking to start your own tax preparation business, regardless of your experience level or not. Because see, people who work for a tax firm for 10, 15, 20 years, it makes me no difference if you decide now to become a business owner. You still have a learning curve to get through that I can help you with. Because see, with me being in this industry 21 years, 15 as a business owner, there's a lot of stuff I had to learn that as an employee you didn't need to know, regardless of your title with the company. I don't care if you was a manager, a supervisor, a lead personnel, whatever that title was. As long as you was an employee umbrella, there was a lot of information you didn't need to know, and that's how that works. So when you try to take it to the next level by becoming your own boss in this industry, now there's a whole lot of information you need to know to go with the information you already know that you need to add on to. So if you need some assistance with that, you need someone to guide you through a simple process for getting started, then it don't cost you nothing but a 30-minute free booking session with me. So let me educate you and show you what that's look like and what that's going to take for you to make it happen. I'll have two other links that you can book a consultation call with. It's called a discovery call, where if you're new to getting started in business in general and you need some guidance and some next steps to take and a simple blueprint to get started with, discovery calls $99 to help make that happen. And then the next level is my consulting services of 167, which is like a discovery call, but you get an extra layer of me helping you to build it out initially, and from there you will have to pay for more time if you need me to help you walk you through the full process and be on your team to help you as a new business owner to conduct business and help you save yourself from making all the type of mistakes that new business owners make, regardless of what industry you choose. So when it's all said and done, I'll be doing different videos on the different resources that I use to learn from, to grow from, to research from. And so as a new tax professional, you want to utilize these same uh, resources for your business and getting started, because number one, is free. It don't cost you nothing. And then if you want to have one on your team who has the experience, the insight, and the training already available to help you make it happen much quick and faster, then reach out to me and book a call. Like I said, it's free, 30 minutes. Don't cost you nothing but a little time to get educated and shown up close and personal if this is the right career move for you in the first place, regardless of your experience level. And I'll see you in my next video.